good morning. Another affordable foreclosed property we have here in Lancaster, New City, Cavite. And this is 40 to 50% below the market price. At ang ganda nitong Alexandra Single Adat siya. Less renovation na lang at pwede mong malipatan agad. So paano? Tara, silipin natin.
At alam mo ba na pwede mo itong malipatan agad-agad basta approve ka ng bangko? Perfect din ang location dahil malapit lang to sa Manila Airport at accessible lang din going to Alabang area because this is located in Lancaster, New City, Cavite. Community-wise, panalo ka nga din dahil napakatahimik, maaliwalas at secured ang community na meron tayo for this Manchester Village. Hi everyone, it's me again, Kiara Pepito Sabido, together with Marian Sabido for another foreclosed property here in Lancaster. Sulit nga to sa presyo niya. Paano ba naman kasi meron ka ng 150 square meter na lot area kaya yung nakita mo dyan, ganyan kalaki ang extra lote mo. At syempre, meron kang provision dito for 2 to 3 carport. By the way, this is an end lot unit kaya naman may extra lote ka na pwede mo pang i-expand for future renovation. Again, itong fini-feature natin is a foreclosed property kaya naman as is where is tayo pero kagandahan nito, minimal renovation na lang ang gagawin mo kasi napakaganda pa ng status ng unit. Kaya naman kung anong nakikita mong home improvement dito sa house tour video natin, ito na rin talaga yung actual deliverable sa'yo ng unit. O diba, sabi sa'yo, panalong panalo to. At dahil improve unit na to, meron kang floor area na 100 square meters. May isang kwarto sa ground floor, perfect for the elderly in the family, and 3 more rooms sa taas na napakalaki at may mga built-in cabinets na rin. Tingnan mo tong kitchen, sobrang ganda ng pagkaka-layout, diba? Kasama na rin yan sa turnover. By the way, sa master's bedroom, may own toilet and bath na rin tayo. And of course, meron kang balcony. At ang kagandahan nga sa unit na to, minimal renovation na lang talaga yung gagawin mo kasi na-improve na to ng previous owner. And also, we have an approved caretaker na siyang nangangalaga dito sa unit kaya hindi ka mag-worry sa mga illegal or informal settlers. And dahil nga foreclosed property to, mabilis mo lang to malilipatan basta fully paid ka na sa down payment and approve ka na sa bangko. This is under Security Bank kaya naman wala na tayong reservation payment. You just have to complete the requirements and once na-award sa'yo ang unit, you just need to pay the 20% down payment spot and pag-approve ka na within 7 days, pwede ka na mag-move in sa unit na to. And again, this is a foreclosed unit kaya naman mabilisan maubos ang mga units kasi naka 40 to 50% below the market value to. So paano? Tara, tripping na tayo para makita mo na yung location and also the actual unit. Link in our bio or call or message us in our Viber, WhatsApp at IMO number to book a free tripping. See you soon at paalam!